Hi students, good morning. Today we are going to see about electromagnetic train. Okay, normal train, you know, electromagnetic train means the train is working with the principle of magnetic attractions and repulsions. Already you know, in magnet, north pole it is repel, and south pole also it is repel. Okay, so it is repel each other. In that principle the electromagnetic train is working. Okay, so this electromagnetic train is called suspension train or flying train. Okay, the train is working with the principle of magnetic attraction and repels, no, so that it is flying train also. Why means it is not attached, it is look like a fly, so it is known as flying train also. Then it does not require diesel or any petrols. Okay, this technology uses the properties of magnetic attractions and repulsion to run this super fast electromagnetic trains. See here, so how it is, already you know here, this is one magnet, north and south. So here also one magnet, if you consider here, so here also north and south. What happened? It is not attract, it is repel only. So it is look, if you see, it is repel, so it is look like a fly. Okay, it is leave it. So in this principle the electromagnetic train is working. So this is the flying train also. Okay. Think how the electromagnets are working. See, electromagnets are used in electromagnetic train. Electromagnetic train, in that electromagnets are used. Electromagnets are magnetized only when current flows through them. You have to pass the current, means that electromagnetic train is working. When the directions of the current is changed, the poles of the electromagnets also changed. You are giving the current, no, the flow of current, if you change the directions means the electromagnetic train also change the directions. See, like poles of the magnets which attracted at the bottom of the train and right track repel each other. That means north, when it comes north side, it is repel. Okay, so the train is lifted from the track. So up to height of 10 centimeters. See, track is here, means here electromagnetic train is moving. So up to the height, track from the train is there, no? So here 10 centimeter. Okay, like it is lifted. We know that we can move any magnetic object with the force of attraction or repulsion properties of magnets. Magnets means it have some attractions and repulsion properties. This trains also moves with the help of the magnets attached on the sides of the track and the magnets fitted at the bottom sideway of the train. Okay, by the controlling the current, you give the current means then only the magnets. Electro means here current. So if you give the current means the electromagnet is working. So by controlling the current we can control the magnets and movement of the train. The train is moving, no? How to control the speed? If you give the current, if you adjust the current means the train movement also you have to adjust. So in this train it is levitating only, so no touch the track and the train, there is no touches, so there is no frictions. So no frictions means here no noise also. Okay, so the train can easily attain a speed of 30 kilometers or 300 kilometers per hour. 1 hour it reaches the 300 kilometers. It is able to 6 kilometers per hour also. 1 kilometer it is able, the speed is 6 kilometers per hour also. They do not make any noise also. They require less energy and they are eco-friendly because no frictions, no noise. It is eco-friendly as. Then even though many countries we can take effort to use this train. See, such trains are used for public transport only. Where it is there means it is not in India. The electromagnetic train is not in India. It is China, Japan and South Korea. This type of train is there. Okay. Okay. In India, the possibilities of introducing these trains are also under the consideration. Hereafter, it will come to India also. Okay. Thank you.